YouTube? It's your boy Larry.
And Frank, what's up, y'all?
We out here today about to do an install. Got a diffuser for the 86. Got the diffuser, gonna go up under here, underneath the exhaust. So yeah, man, we're gonna go ahead and get that installed. If you haven't already, go ahead and like and subscribe, and stay tuned. Right.
I said I can put it back in. You can too over there.
Well, we actually will replace it with the bolt.
Oh.
I think that's what the whole thing was. And then over here, you might have to drill this one. Yeah. All right, so right now we just got it basically holding itself on there with two different bolts. So we're about to get up under here and see if we got to drill any holes or what else we got to do. All right, y'all, so right now we just got it being held up by this bolt here and this bolt right here. So let's see. Right now I'm gonna go ahead and put a bolt right here and see what else we gotta do. All right, guys, so we just got it bolted up enough just to hold it. So we got these three on, and let's see. I guess I'm gonna go ahead and put in the rest of the hardware. And I think we got a couple holes over here that we might have to drill. So stay tuned. Go ahead and subscribe and like. You know, help us get to 500 subscribers. All right, y'all, so we got the diffuser on. I'll show y'all what it's looking like. So yeah, this is the diffuser. I gotta actually get back under there and tighten it up a little bit, but yeah, this is pretty much what it's gonna look like. Yeah, I know. Well, that's pretty much everything right there. Got this side in. We're good to go. All right, y'all. So that's all we got for today. Got the diffuser on the car. It's looking great. Can't wait to go cruise around with it.
Oh, man.
So if you like the video, go ahead and give us a like and subscribe to the channel. And feel free to donate to the channel via the PayPal link below. And we'll catch you next time. Peace.
Peace.
Gifts.
Check out the Instagram. Fucks with the Instagram and subscribe.